Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my mx4. Here it is. I saw it in Population 1, I think it's called, and I thought it was pretty cool. So please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah. So first, you want a square sheet of paper, like so, and you want to make a boat base. So first, I'm going to be folding a water bomb base, and I'm going to sink the top of it to make the boat base. Okay, so first you want to fold it in half like this, and you want to fold it in half again like so. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down. Then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. So you want to open up this pocket right here, then you want to fold that down. Okay, then you want to bring this point right here to this edge right there. Okay, like so, and make a good crease. Then you're going to sink this triangle inside. Okay, so unfold that, then open up the whole model right there, and you see that smaller square in the middle. Fold all the edges, so all the crease line in the middle, down. Okay, then you're going to fold down on the center portion. Okay, so you see those crease line, so push down on it and fold down all the crease line in the middle, and you're going to fold it back like that. Okay, and now you want to fold this in half, so bring the bottom portion towards the back and fold it in half like that. Okay, and now you want to just fold the front portion in half. You don't have to fold the back part. So fold the front portion in half. So this is going to be the front and the back, of course. Just right up to the center, okay? And make a good crease there. Then unfold. Okay, then you take the bottom layer, the bottom flap, right there. Then fold it all the way to the back. So, then fold it down. Like that. And now you see that crease line in the center, right there, that we just folded. So you're gonna sink the back portion of it in, okay? So open up that whole area right there. So kind of pull it down a little bit, and you see that kind of rectangle kind of shape. Or you can't see on the top, but in the middle you're gonna connect it to that other crease line, okay? So fold down that crease line and fold this crease line down and kind of fold right across right there, then fold it right against the model like that. Kind of straighten that out. Okay, and now you see this triangle right there. You just want to fold that inside. So you want to open up this pocket right here. Then I'm going to just fold in that triangle. So, kind of uneven. And now we're going to zigzag fold the back part. Okay, so bring this right up to the back of the grip. Like so, and fold it right back. So this should be kind of around the middle of that whole model. Or maybe a little bit above it, if you like. Okay, then you want to take this bottom flap, then fold it right up to these corners right here. Okay. Then fold it out like that. Then you want to take that top edge and fold it down to the bottom. Okay, that's going to be the thumb hole stock. Okay, then you want to fold this triangle inside. Okay, you can pre-crease it. Then open up this pocket. Then fold that inside. Then you see where this corner is. So if you look right here, this corner right there, you want to zigzag fold right there for the magazine. So fold this back, then down. Then tilt the grip back a little bit. Okay. Then flip it to the back side. And if you want the civilian version, the mx4, I think, you can leave this longer, but if you want the shorter barrel, the mx4, then you want to fold in this whole triangle inside. Okay, so open up this pocket and fold this inside like that. Then you see where this corner is right there. You want to fold this back like so and zigzag fold it back forward. This. Then you want to take this whole edge down to the center like that, and you see where this edge is, you want to fold that up 90 degrees up like that. Okay, same thing on the bottom. So bring this whole edge towards the center, and for this edge, fold it right up to the center like that. Okay, so there's a little belly right here for the handguard. And you want to fold this barrel in half. Okay, and now fold the top edge down to these corners right here. Like that, and then kind of put an edge to that. And here it is, the XM4. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.